Hello ladies and gentlemen, what's up? This is Papa Bale and welcome to the channel. We're just looking at, output with the load, all different kinds of output here. I've hooked this coil up to the bridge rectifier. Then I hooked the bridge rectifier up to the light as a load, and the multimeter, which will show us exactly how much energy is being generated on top of the load. Now, it's not a resistor, but I don't see that as being practical in any way, shape, or form to put a resistor in that circuit at all, because would you do that in an actual setting? Would you put a resistor on this circuit? Why would you do that? Now there's somebody was trying to prove something right there, putting a resistor on this thing. But I do have a load. I got this 100 watt LED on the bridge rectifier. I'm just trying to charge up the multimeter a little bit. Here, let's take a look at the little one, see if we can get it going while we wait. There it goes. Or it did go for a second. I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe it's caught up in something or not plugged in all the way. But the amps keep going back down to 1.1.
There you go.
Thank you.
I forgot about this.
I didn't forget about it. Alright, here we go. Alright, the light's kicking on. I believe that'll stay on. Looks like it's going to stay on. The little guy over here. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, I'm going to pop this. Turn that on. Right there at 76 volts with the load. Let's check out the okay, we do not have a wave of any kind.
There we go.
Look at that little devil fly, man. That is awesome.
Looks like we got a new one of these. Hey, Dad. Got it.
Yep, we got some iron infused PLA. Nice.
Yes, I just unboxed.
Good. Good. Oh, hold on. Let me get a picture of it. This way. Get over here, please. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you. Good job. Alright, so we got 75 volts going through. We got a 100 watt LED being lit on the same coil through the same connection, basically. So it's not good for nothing. That was actually pretty bright for that light. So I don't know. Proof is in the pudding. Yeah, I don't understand why I would have to put a resistor in the circuit to prove anything. I did put a resistor in the circuit, and naturally everything kind of ground to a halt. I took the resistor out and the light lit up and the voltage went back up, and it's supposed to, you know, even if it's just 100 ohms. It's gonna, there's no, and before we say there's no current, let's look at the current. We'll turn it off and we'll reset it for current. You can't light the light that bright without current, okay? You can't. You just can't do it. Voltage won't do it. I've done this long enough, like every day, to know that. Now whether that amp reading is exactly dead on, it looks pretty solid to me. Seems a little high, but I mean, and you noticed when I was swapping from, like, move to the next one, the next one, to the next one, capacitance, frequency, and then we're back to UA, MA, DC amps. So through the bridge rectifier, there are some settings here that do not work. This one doesn't work. Frequency does not work through the bridge rectifier that I have. It might be broken. So here's what we get for the hertz. This is what we get for capacitance. I know this is not right, and I know that it's not my multimeter. Mega ohms. I know that's not right. And then this is the voltage connection. Now there's obviously some sort of connection. The circuit opens up when I try and read the frequency or anything like that, so I need to find out why that's happening. Oh, those weren't even plugged in very well. Let's see if that helps. No, it did not help. Now, I can't really explain myself why that is. Maybe the meter is screwed up. But I think it's just that when reading those values, because it was reading, you know, it's earlier. If I hook it up AC and I take the bridge rectifier out altogether, I don't know. I have a feeling that those things would work. Maybe it'll work when it's off. But there it is, man. Circuit with a load. Still producing 75 DC volts off of this one coil. Now it does have a iron core in there. Oh yeah, I can feel that. That is humming. So is this one. And this one. And then that little devil right there is going at least 1500 RPMs. See, I love these readings. They're so solid. They're not fluctuating or anything. Yeah, 1.65 amps. Wow, that's a great number. Alright, well, that's all I got. I think it's a lot. Peace out. Have a great day. Please subscribe. Bye now.